Oh my gosh, what happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Bro, I was in Boston for a day and I went out for a wedding and someone tried to snatch the phone, and when they couldn't get away with it, they stomped it out.
No way. Oh my gosh, this is bad too.
Had to chase them down.
Oh my gosh, man.
I'm trying to get it fixed ASAP because I still owe a lot of money on the phone.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, I figure I might as well change the color while I'm at it too, right?
We can do it.
If you got anything,
Yeah, don't worry. I got you.
appreciate it.
I can't believe this happened to him. We have to change the whole frame to different color. Watch until the end to see this sick process. Wow. Surgery time. We are turning to blue. Let's go. This battery doesn't look good, but we have to put it anyway. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, now looks brand new. Everything is working fine.
Looks perfect, bro. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man.
Have a great day.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.